Changing your primary email on Intercom is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your Intercom account. Access your Intercom account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings icon, usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Access your profile. In the Settings menu, find and select the Your Profile option. This section contains your personal account information, including your email address. Step 4. Update your primary email. Look for the email address field in your profile settings. Enter your new primary email address and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, scroll down to find the Save button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. After completing these steps, your primary email on Intercom should be successfully changed. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages.